Hey, it's Bill the Handyman. Today we're looking at this is actually top and bottom machine. Fairly universal design. They use these in a lot of different makes. And I guess this was an original white Westinghouse design. So anyway, we're going to talk about the belt. And so there's a small panel on the back of these normally. This one also has the bearing on the back half of the machine. Anyway, you take the two screws out of this cover and it'll access your belt. And so basically, this is how the belt goes on. You have to be careful because this thing can actually pop off of here. Some of them are very similar to this as well. They don't have a long counter piece here with a spring on it. They may have the spring up here coming across. So basically that's how your belt goes on. And it's a little easier to do with two hands, but I've only got one hand right now. But basically you just want to, let's see if I can do it. Okay, so there it is off. So basically you just pull it around. Yeah, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. So basically you need to take the tension off the pulley and put it on. So there it is. So it's wrapped around here, goes around the motor, and then goes around the barrel. So thanks for watching. If you're interested in my course on how to make money in the appliance business, which includes a year of coaching and a link to over 100 training videos, and you're interested in that course, just go ahead and send $49.95 to Bill's Enterprises, P.O. Box 7021, Eureka, California 95502. Thanks for watching.